Hey everyone, welcome back. We're diving into something pretty cool today.
Yeah.
A new project, well, new to us at least.
Yeah, definitely new and interesting, I think.
We're looking into Papo Ninja
Hmm.
and its cryptocurrency, PAPAPO.
Definitely a lot to unpack there.
Yeah, so we've been reading up on it on InsideBitcoins.com and also Cointelegraph.
Two good sources for this kind of thing.
Yeah, for sure. They know what's up. So let's try to break this down for everyone listening.
All right, let's do it.
So first off, what even is Papo Ninja? It's a game, right?
Yeah, it is, but it's got this whole slice to earn thing going on.
Slice to earn. Okay, now I'm really intrigued.
Yeah, so it's kind of a twist on the whole play to earn model that we've seen before.
Right, like you play the game, you earn some crypto. Got it.
Exactly. But the thing is, a lot of those play to earn games,
Yeah.
they kind of, I don't know, they lost the plot a bit.
How so?
Well, it became less about actually playing the game and more about just like
Oh, I see.
holding the tokens and hoping they'd go up in value.
So it was speculation, basically.
Yeah, exactly. And the gameplay itself sometimes wasn't even that great.
So where does slice to earn come in?
So with Slice to Earn, Papo Ninja is trying to actually reward players for, well,
For actually playing.
yeah, for playing, for their skill, their time,
Interesting.
It incentivizes genuine engagement, which is what gaming should be about, right?
Absolutely. So how does that work in practice?
So as you progress through the game, battle enemies, complete levels,
Huh?
you actually earn PAPO tokens.
Oh, that's cool. So it's like built into the actual gameplay.
Exactly. So you're not just holding a token and hoping for the best.
You're actually earning it by playing.
Yeah, and that could potentially make it a much more sustainable model.
Right, because it keeps people engaged.
Exactly. It's not just a speculative asset anymore.
And, okay, this is where it gets even wilder, right?
Yeah, get ready.
Papo Ninja is tied to Telegram,
That's right. It's built on the TON blockchain.
which is like directly linked to Telegram.
Yep, pretty crazy, right?
That's huge.
Yeah.
Telegram has like a massive user base.
Oh, yeah. Millions and millions of people.
So imagine if all those people suddenly have access to PAPO.
That's the idea, right? It opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
It's like bringing crypto to the mainstream.
Yeah, and the TON blockchain is really well suited for this kind of thing.
How so?
Well, it's known for being fast and scalable.
Ah, I see. So it can handle all those transactions within Telegram.
Exactly. It's like they've created this perfect ecosystem.
Okay, so we've got the game itself, we've got the Telegram connection. What about the actual POPO token? How's that been doing?
It's been on a bit of a roller coaster, to be honest.
As crypto tends to do?
Right, but it's seen some pretty impressive jumps recently.
Like how much?
Well, it's up about 33.45% in the past little while.
Wow, that's not bad at all.
No, it's definitely attracting attention, especially with these recent exchange listings.
Oh yeah, tell me about that.
So PMPO just got listed on a couple of big exchanges, TO, NFI, and Bitmart.
Okay, so what does that mean for people who want to buy PPO?
It means it's way easier to get your hands on it now.
Got it. So before it was maybe harder to find.
Yeah, you might have had to go through some, less well-known exchanges.
But now it's on these more established platforms.
Exactly. STIO NFI is a decentralized exchange, so that's cool.
What's the advantage of a decentralized exchange?
Well, you have more control over your assets. It's more like having your own wallet.
Interesting.
And then Bitmart is a centralized exchange, so it's more traditional.
Okay, got it.
But it's also known for being very user-friendly.
So that's good for people who are new to crypto.
Absolutely. It makes it much easier to get started.
And I heard there might be even more exchange listings coming up.
Yeah, there are rumors of 2 more major exchanges adding PPO soon.
Wow, so things are really heating up.
It seems that way, yeah.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
Definitely a lot going on.
So what does this all mean for our listeners?
Well, I think Papo Ninja is definitely one to watch.
For sure. It's a really interesting project.
It's got a lot of potential, that's for sure.
But as always, we have to add the disclaimer.
Of course. Always do your own research.
Especially with crypto.
Yeah. There's a volatile world out there.
So don't just jump in because you heard it on our show.
No, definitely not.
Take a look at the game itself, see what you think.
Yeah, watch some gameplay videos, read some reviews.
See if you actually like it,
Exactly, because at the end of the day, it's a game.
And if you don't enjoy playing it,
then it doesn't really matter how well the token is doing.
exactly. So yeah, always do your own research.
Absolutely.
But, I do think this whole Telegram integration thing is fascinating.
Yeah, it's pretty groundbreaking, I think.
I wonder if this could be a model for other crypto projects.
That's a good question.
Like, could we see other projects integrating with existing platforms?
To reach a wider audience.
Yeah, that's exactly what Papo Ninja's doing.
It's a smart strategy, that's for sure.
So, something to think about, I guess.
Definitely. A lot to consider.
All right, well, on that note, I think we've covered everything.
I think so, yeah.
So if you're interested in Papo Ninja,
Check it out.
do your research and see what you think.
Yeah, it's an exciting project.
Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive.
We'll catch you next time.
See ya.
Bye.